Imagine that moment when you realize you aren't just building a simple gadget anymore. You're actually bringing a piece of genuine artificial intelligence to life right on your desk. It is an incredible rush to see a machine start to see and think for itself. If you're a developer, a robotics hobbyist, or an AI researcher, the NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano Super Developer Kit is your new favorite playground. This isn't just a minor spec bump. It's a massive leap forward for entry-level AI development. Under the hood, you're getting up to 40 TOPS, tera operations per second, of AI performance. To put that in perspective, this tiny, power-efficient board delivers up to 80 times the performance of the original Jetson Nano. It is specifically designed to handle multiple concurrent AI inference pipelines, which means it can process high-resolution sensor data, run complex neural networks, and manage robotic controls all at the same time without breaking a sweat. What makes the Super Kit stand out is the sheer level of connectivity and flexibility it offers. It features a wide array of I/O, including multiple camera connectors, USB 3.2 ports, and M.2 slots for easy storage and networking upgrades. Whether you're building an autonomous drone, an intelligent home security system, or a high-tech sorting robot, this board has the physical ports and the raw horsepower to make it happen. Plus, it runs on the NVIDIA Jetpack SDK, giving you access to the same world-class AI software stack used by professional developers at some of the biggest tech companies in the world. The best part? It's surprisingly power-efficient. You're getting server-class AI performance in a form factor that fits in the palm of your hand and can be powered by a small supply. It's the perfect bridge between learning about AI and building real-world AI. If you want to stay on the cutting edge of robotics and edge computing, this is the hardware that will get you there. Click the link below for the best price and start building the future today. If this breakdown was helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech. See you in the next one.